Hi, I'm Keith Necesta. I'm the VP and General Manager of Symmetry Electronics. It's actually a wide variety of different solutions. So if you look at it, it's anything from concept all the way to production. And it's not just what Symmetry and Braemac are doing, which Braemac has been doing it for quite a while, especially in Australia. They have a small footprint here and have been doing it in the Americas for a while, but on a smaller scale. But when you add in the Exponential Technology Group and the electronic services portion of that organization, combined with everything that Braemac has already been doing, offers us a wide variety of different solutions. And those solutions include things as simple as reballing parts to bringing in cabling and harnessing, boxing computers, box solutions with displays, and it even can be full production design, so where you're taking and developing your own PCBs, and then we're helping the customer manufacture those PCBs.